Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brian Twomey. Thank you for watching all the videos. Thank you, FX Street, for allowing me to do this. Thank you to all friends, followers, longtime subscribers. As we mentioned in our trades on Sunday, let's run through them quick. And I'm going to show you a few things. USD JPY, as we stated, short 109.63 and 109.79 to target 108.15, 108.15. What happened? USJPY turned exactly at 109.69. It traded to 109.00 for 69 points, 69 pips. You're 69 points to the good so far. One trade, 2 days. Perfect entry. Australia, as I mentioned Sunday, short 7765 and 7772. Target 7685. What happened? Australia, odd, reversed at 7765, exactly as we mentioned. Odd traded to 7696 for plus 69 points. Remember, as we stated Sunday, 7673, most vital point. Pound New Zealand, what did we say? Long 9237 and 9220 to target 9298. What happened? Pound New Zealand went long from 1.9216 to 92.98. Entry off by 4 points. Wasn't really off. Let's call it perfect. 9298 target hit perfect for 82 points. From there, as we stated Sunday, long from 9305 to target 9391. What happened? Pound New Zealand went from 93.05 to 93.91, as we stated, for 86 points. So what do we got? 80 and 80, 160. We're playing with 170 points profit here already in 2 days, 2 trades, 2 quick trades. What happened? Actual Pound New Zealand decided to go almost 100 points higher to 9481. Let's go to the third leg of the trade. As we mentioned, short from 9391. Your target is 1.9330. The fact that Pound New Zealand went 100 points higher is to your benefit, to our benefit. It means you're shorting at a higher level. The target is the same. A trade begins at entry, it ends at target. And in between are the vital points that I give you, that I give to subscribers. Let's go to Pound CAD. What did I say about Pound? Get long at the market. Doesn't matter where. Just get long, do it quick, and hurry up. We offer the target of 7230, 1.7230. Pound CAD opened Sunday at 1.6967. It traded to highs of 1.7113. You've got 146 points in your favor. One trade, 2 days. Entry anywhere. It didn't matter. You have profits. Euro CAD, what did we say? Long 4747. Target 1.5011. Must break 4835 and 4923. What happened? We had lows at 1.4762. EuroCAD attempted to break a 4836 twice already and failed. So we want to be really careful. Once the break of 4836 comes, your next target would be 4923. The overall target of 1.5011. What's holding EuroCAD? I ran the long term on this, and this will be posted on my site here pretty shortly. But 1.4757 is a solid support for EuroCAD. EuroCAD, EuroCAD. All right, let's go to how about Euro JPY? What did we say? We said short 13174 and 13185. Target 130.06. What happened? Actual 132.16 to 131.13. Plus 72 points. Our entry was off by 30 points. No sweat about that. Same situation for pound yen, as we mentioned Sunday. Short 15145 and 15165 to target 149.50. What happened? Pound yen traded to 152.04. Hit lows of 150.99. Let's see. There's about a 70-point profit going on here.
On the back of the paper.
There's about a 70-point profit going on here. Hold on. You hold on to your pound to your yen cross pairs. By the way, we also mentioned Swiss yen. I ran the long term on Swiss yen. This is on my site. This has also been posted on FX Street. We have a new target, a long-term target of Swiss yen at 114. 114. It is now trading at 119. There were highs at 120s. What are we saying here? We're saying that there is 600 points of downside to Swiss yen. You want to see this trade? Look at 2018 on my blog. We took this trade in 2018 from 118 to something like 112, 112. And this trade lasted about 3 weeks. This is not a pair that I pay attention to simply because the margin is low. It doesn't move well. However, it is a trending currency pair. When it trends, when it gets ready, it trends. You know, so what you have in Swiss yen is you have 600 points of shorts. What you do is short highs, and short highs all the way down to 14. All your yen pairs, they've got 500 and 600 points of downside that remain. Long way to go. A long way to go. What else do we got? Pound USD. I also mentioned Pound USD. Short 3875 and 3886. Target 3784. I also mentioned watch 3763 is your vital point. Vital point, break point. Notice these terms. Vital point, break point. These are moving averages. I have a moving average system. It's all about moving averages. I don't, but I do special things with my averages. I do special things with my prices that I don't think anybody's ever done I've delved deeply into the research of all of this, and I've adjusted as time went on. I've been adjusting since 2010, seriously adjusting, and I'm going to show you a couple of things, what this all means. So where am I? Pound USD, short 3875, short 3886, target 3784. What happened? The actual had highs this week at 3929, lows 3838. You're running about a 50-point profit. We're off on our 86, 96, 60, 26. We're off about 43 points on our entry. No big deal. An entry off is in your favor, okay? Because we know where it's going. We know the target, okay? Usually these entries are not off. I work to perfection. It's the wildest thing that I do, but this stemmed from years and years and years ago when I first started as a dumb rookie trader, sitting here blowing thousands, and me and a buddy, we're blowing thousands like it was okay, I swore then to myself that I would figure it out and get it right, and I would make up all the money that I lost. Okay, I mean, I'll never forget that. Remember the pound Swiss trade? I took a pound Swiss trade one time. This is going back like 2004, 2005. I blew $2,500 in 10 minutes. I don't know. Yeah, I was an expert. Okay, now, we didn't mention the euro because we called it a problem trade. We also mentioned the fact that 11 of 28 currency pairs were problem currency pairs. We mentioned that pound New Zealand was a problem pair. How do you know? How could it went 100 points past our target? 5 minutes. Okay. What does a problem pair mean? Here, let me show you. No, I need that there. This is Euro USD, okay? I didn't offer a trade this week because it's a problem pair. This is my system, by the way. Anybody looking? All I got to do is enter a price and I'm good. Problem pair. See this? Noise ratio. What is noise? It's also signal and noise. It's the same principle. It's the same exact thing. It's elevated. It was almost at 300, okay? The opposite side to this is variation. There is no variation in the pair. A problem with high noise is a problem currency pair. It means caution, be careful. You'll see a situation like pound New Zealand. It went 100 points past our target. Here, let me pull up pound New Zealand for you. Pound New Zealand, where is it? Let's go. Pound New Zealand, see? Almost 300 variation. I'm running out of time. That's why I'm talking fast. I also have the EM pairs to cover. Here, let's look at what's happening here. Sorry about that. Let's look at, let me take this off now. This is cool. Here's your currency market right here. USD CAD and pound USD. The relationship here is both pairs are not only opposite, they are perfect opposite. Notice when USD CAD opened this week at something like 22.70 or something, okay? And GBP was at 38s. 22.30. From 22 to 38, that's 1,600 points. 1,600 points. This is too far. Just by eyeball alone, you would know, as I mentioned, USD CAD is oversold. You can see that from your eyeballs. Hey, you want to see something else? Let me show you more. 131 JPY, 120. Look at this as 1.2, 1.3, 1.09. Look how high Euro JPY is compared to these two pairs. This is exorbitant high. The JPY pair is supposed to trade in between Euro, in between USD. This is not doing it. This is why there's so much downside. Pound yen, 151. Look at this. 38, 109. Are you kidding? This thing's got so much downside. It's incredible. Let me show you more relationships here. Euro New Zealand, pound New Zealand, 68, 78, 88, 89, 90, 1 and 2. 2,500 point spread. Are you kidding me? The better pair is pound New Zealand. Euro New Zealand is stuck in a 100-point range between two vital points. Look on my site. You'll read and you'll see about it. Look at FX Street. You'll see and read about it. This relationship should trade right in the area of 1,600. There is a 1,000-point variation here that is out of whack. Euro odd 55, 79 pound odd. What is that? 50, 657. 2,500 points. This relationship is off and should be moving. What else do we got here? There was a couple of things I also wanted to mention here. Okay, the pound pairs. Oh, okay, here we go. Note 7, as I mentioned, 7673 odd. What did we get to on our target on odd? Our target on odd was 7696. What would happen then? 1 minute left. I'm in a hurry. Thank you, everybody. You've got Euro odd here. Much solid support. 56s. A whole bunch of 56s. That means Euro odd's going to have trouble rising. Euro odd USD 7673. Vital supports. What's going to happen? Euro odd's going to drop from the 56s. Euro odd is going to rise from 7670s or right at our target. And now you have a reverse trade. This is how it works. Also mention, Euro. What did I say about Euro? It would rise from 206. USD Swiss would continue its drop from 9141. It closed at 9129. What happened? Euro rose, Swiss dropped. What's happening now? Look where we're at. 9124, 203. We are extremely close here to a break in both Euro and USD Swiss. What else?
Contact.
Brian Twomey, btwomey.com. Check out the blog, Inside the Currency Market, btwomey.com. Oh, I'm supposed to say, can you hit the like button? Okay, so a couple of people asked me to do these. I don't know how to do it. I'm trying my best. I have a YouTube channel. I don't know how to put these things on my channel. So luckily I have somebody that's here to help me. She's holding everything. She knows how to work this stuff a little bit better than I do. I don't know the electronics. Listen, my trades are factored by calculator, pen, and paper, okay? I have all the information that I need right here. Run ECB check. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. Too early to run a check. Damn. Excuse my French. I have all the information here to make trades. I have within my purview here of all the currency pairs, I can make any pair that I want here. Swiss franc here. Swiss franc NZD. What do we got going? That's all I got to do is click, and I got all the information that I need. I use math in a very easy, simple way that anybody can do. I use a $4 calculator. I buy a pack of pens. I like these pens. $2 for a pack. Paper. See this? New Zealand interest rates. But paper costs $25 a year for a pack of paper, a whole big box of paper, and I use it all in 1 year. I mean, this is the way I do things, okay? This is the way I do things. I am running out of time here. I'm running out of time. Listen, I guess I still have the emerging market currency pairs to post. If, I can keep this up, I will continue posting these videos. Again, I thank everybody. I thank all my friends, subscribers, longtime followers. We're the silent majority. We have our followers are in the multi. Why? They're in the multi-thousands. Why? Because we're always right. That's why. And we're right for over many, many years. I'm not out here to embarrass myself, to do the wrong thing, to tell you the wrong thing. I take people's money and my money seriously. This comes from all the mistakes that I made. And I told myself this would never happen again, and I would work to perfection. And that's what I've been doing. I mean, all traders want different things out of their trades. I want perfection. I don't want to lose. Okay, and I want to gain as much money as we can. We take the easy trades. We don't struggle with, like Euro New Zealand, in between two vital breakpoints. What are you going to do with it? Leave it alone. We don't want that trade. We want the easy trade to get the easy money, as we have seen with our trades down here. I have to end this. I want to thank everybody. Again, thank you, FX Street. You've been really decent. They've been posting my stuff. Thank you, everybody, and I will see you soon. Cut.